Hello viewers. I'm Felix from Felix Piano Academy. I'm the tutor there, and I want to train you this piano many chords as possible, many keys, and a lot of things. So I want to welcome you in this video that you will learn and that will continue to get knowledge from the skills that I have. So welcome. In keyboard we have the outer part here. After you have put your socket, your power cable in, this is the power button. Unawakishia hapa. If you look again, we have the screen here. Hii screen ndio inakuonyesha chenye unaendeleza kufanya, ni nini inaendelea. You can see it has a lot of things. It have mic setting, new memory, it has the right one, right two, left, it has MIDI, audio, all those things ziko hapo ndani. And this is the screen that we are going to operate with. On your left, we have the styles. These are the styles. For example, in pop, we have cool beat, inaenda hivyo, several beats, kunazo mingi huku, like classic beat, ndio hivyo ndivyo inaenda. We have jazz, country music, iko hapo, entertainment, world. Hapa ndio tunapata beats ambazo zimewekwa kwa keyboard on the left side. If you look again, we have the tempo. Tempo ni the speed. In other words, we call it beat per minute. This one. So if I want to make it faster, I'll just come here and add. It's 130 now. I can make it 170. If I want to slow it down, you minus beat per minute, you make it. Yeah. The other thing that we have on your left, we have transpose. Transpose is the key, the tone or the key that you are in. For example, by default, it's in 0. Inakuanga 0. If I minus again, go down. If I want to go up, that is the purpose. Now, the other thing that we have here, it is song control. If you have your styles na umezipiga and you have umezipandisha to song, hapa ndio unakuja unaziplay. Hapa we have song function, we have USB player, we have mixer. Mixer is where you twist some knobs here so that you may get the kind of sound that you want. For example, you can look on we have EQ, equalizer there. You can touch it here and there. We have our reverbs there, chorus there, filters there. It depends with what you like. Compressor there. Chenye unataka ndio utapata hapo. Ile ingine tunaiona hapa on the interface, tuko na hii inaitwa style control. Style control, kama uko na beat yako kama hiyo, this is where you control it. You have A, B, C, D, break, intro, ending, hizo vitu. And this is the start and stop. Ile kitu ingine muhimu, we have balance here. For example, ukiweka sauti zako to your right one here, grand piano, and you put right two, another voice like studio strings, you need to balance them. As if I kuimba zikiwa 100, you need to balance. Like right two, uipeleke chini hivi so that you may get whatever you want. Unaipeleka hivi that they may blend. That's the idea. So that is the purpose of balance. These are knobs are helpful for shifting from one place to another. That is the purpose. Here we have registration memory. Registration memory is where you can store your voices, your settings, all that. Na unataka next time ukikuja uipate. You save it at registration memory. We have menu here. I'm just walking you around the piano interface. Uelewe vizuri before operating it. Menu, you are going to get a lot of things like split point, harmony, registration controller, live control, voice setting, style setting, next page, style creator, song creator. Hizi vitu ni hizi zenye utapata ambazo zitakusaidia. Style creator, like you can program your own beat. Na hapa kuna vitu mingi sana. This is the technical part of the keyboard. All right. We have this one, this scroll. This wheel, the purpose of this wheel is to make sure you navigate faster and smoothly. That is the purpose. This is the back button, next button. Back, next. Up, down, the other way, hivyo. This is the enter. Once you shift, you enter. On your right, now, the very thing that you will find, it is voices. Voices. Grand piano, organ, guitar, bass, strings, brass, woodwind. You have synth and drums there. Vyombo zote ziko hapa. Ukizitaka. Kitaka guitar. Ukitaka bass. Ukitaka sijui saxophone. Utaipata hapo. Madrum. Hizo ni vibraphone. Mariba ziko hapo. Percussion. Madrum bado ziko hapo. Ziko hapo. Unaweza zipata hapo. And this is where you utilize keyboard well. Unachukua ile voice unataka, unaweka kwa keyboard, una play nayo. There is this part ambayo inaitwa part select. Part select. Ni ile part unataka, ukiangalia kwa screen, we have right one, we have right 2 and we have left. Right 1 iko hapa hivi. So, right 1, right 2 and left. If you focus, right 1 kuna hii sauti, kuna hiyo sauti nimeweka inaitwa aje? Nimeweka hii drum analog. Wacha niweke sauti nyingine kama concert, ndio hii. This one. Concert grand. Right 2 niweke kitu kama organ. Ndio hiyo. So part select, unataka ku blend masauti mawili at the same time. Unachukua sauti ya kwanza, unaweka hapa grand piano na unawakishia hapa sasa. Sauti ya pili. Ukicheza sasa zitasikika kama sauti mbili. You see? Utazipata hapo mbili. Left ni side ya mkono hii ya left. The bass part. Nayo unakuja unawakishia hapa. Kwanza unaweka sauti yenye unataka kama ni bass. Ndio hiyo. You see? Huu mkono uko na left, the other one will be having right 1 and right 2. So those are the main things. The last bit, you have voice effect. Hiyo sauti umeweka hapa. Kama unataka effect kama ya harmony, ya sustain, unaweka. DSP unaweka kama unaitaka. The last thing, it is upper octave. Ukitaka kusongesha keyboard huko, you sharpen the voice, you go at the right side. Ukitaka to deepen, to make it more low, unaenda to the left side. By default it's 0, equals 0. So guys, that is what is here on the top. Ile kitu ingine naweza ongeza, we have the volume here, and you have modulation. You modulate your voice, and we have the pitch bend here, and I will show you later the purpose of these things. So those are the things that you're going to find in any of the keyboard or other piano that will come across to in this series. So make sure you interact with the screen so much. The details will be displayed on the keyboard. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Let's meet at the next lesson, and make sure to subscribe to this channel.